something to do with the Gabbro minerals and glacial silt suspended in the water. It is really good for you. Scientists have backed it up. Early Maori used to paddle their canoe in here, chanting a kara care or prayer, as they believed it would bless them with strength and vitality and good fortune for their journey as they headed northwards collecting and trading greenstone. We're going to give you the opportunity to experience this for yourselves. We're going to try and ride on in here. Just remember though, waterfalls are wet, so mind out for your electronic equipment. But the wetter you get, the better it works. So get out there and make the most of it. Definitely a highlight of the trip. Something you don't want to miss out on.
Alright, we're going to check out the waterfall here. It looks like we're going right up on it. Pretty cool. There's the mountain. Pretty cool. Let's see here. So we're right up.
앞쪽으로 보이는 스터링 폭포를 관람하기에 가장 좋은 장소는 앞쪽 간판입니다. 스터링 폭포는 155m 높이로 55m 높이인 나이아가라 폭포의 3배의 높이 그리고 50층 건물의 높이와 맞먹습니다. 15,000년간 빙하가 녹아내리면서 형성되는 스터링 폭포는 마오리 이름으로 와이말로, 우리말로 우세라는 뜻을 가지고 있습니다. 마오리족의 전설에 의하면 이 폭포물을 맞게 되면 머리가 검어지고 얼굴에 잔주름이 펴지며 신년은 젊어진다고 합니다. 폭포가 더 가까이로 다가가게 되면 여러분의 카메라가 젖지 않도록 주의하시기 바랍니다.
我们要来下一个景点是我们斯特林瀑布，这是我们这次游轮之旅最刺激环节。长达1、2呢会带领大家到瀑布下方与它做一个亲密接触。那瀑布现在在我们眼前落差155米，它的水呢是由冰川融化而来。我们当地的传说，如果你在这个瀑布下方沐浴一次，第二天早上起来会发现自己年轻了10岁。除了真假，这瀑布水都是我们最天然优质的冰川水，所以如果你不介意湿身，特别是爱美女士朋友，现在可以拿好相机到我们游轮前方等候。为了做一次妙可特产冰川浴，需要提供游客保护机、相机、手机等电子产品。私たちはこの辺り、スカーリンの滝へと近づいてまいりました。ミルフォードサンド内で2番目に大きな滝でして、高さは155メートルということで、約50階建てのビルの高さに相当します。お船の前方に立たれている方、水しぶきが飛んでまいります。お手元のカメラや携帯電話には十分ご注意ください。別名若返りの滝とも呼ばれております。この時の水を浴びると10歳若返ると言われておりますので、ご旅行を楽しみいただくとともに、ぜひこの滝の水しぶき浴びてみてください。
Oh my goodness. Yeah, we're getting right up on the, look how close we are to that thing. Holy cow. Wow. Oh, people getting crazy now. Oh, okay. Oh man, we are, woo. There's the waterfall right there. We're getting down here. Woo, okay. Alright. Oh wow. Okay, this is where it's getting wet right here. Oh my goodness. Woo. Okay, I'm going down. Woo. I'm going down. That's it for me. That's it. Woo. Alright. iPhone's tripping. Hopefully we still got footage. Oh man, alright. Wow, alright. Things dripping with water. Alright, nice, nice.